Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all. So today we are going to continue with our Milestone 3, accessing Hive data warehouse using Python for our project crude oil, WTI and Brent price prediction. So this is the summary of the step. Okay, the first is we need to configure the Hive site .xml inside your server. Okay, to set the hostname, port and access to Hive server. The second step is you have to run the HDFS, Hive and Hive server. And then the third, you can access the Hive data warehouse using Python coding. So I'm going to show you. Okay, this is the documentation that I have done. Okay, uh, first step is setting server host and user access to Hive server. So this one you need to configure Hive site XML. This Hive site XML you can find inside your folder, inside your Hadoop Hive configuration and Hive site.xml. So this is where my Hive site XML located. Okay, so you can open this using gedit or any editor that you are familiar. Okay, this is what you have to put inside the Hive site. You have to update the server host, the local host, the server port, and then you have to update this temporary folder, scratch directory, temporary folder, your username, and then your resource directory. Okay, this is how it's look like inside the Hive site XML. Okay, then the second thing is you have to configure the core site XML. Okay, where you need to put your super username to access this Hadoop proxy and your super user name, and also groups. This is my super user name ZM1, so I put here. So you have to change accordingly to your username. Okay, this is how it look like inside the Linux environment. Okay, after that we move to step 2. Okay, this is what you need after you have configured all the XML file. So you need to run the HDFS. Okay, how to run the HDFS? By typing start all sh or start dfs sh or start yarn sh. This is how you run the HDFS service. Okay, you can check if whether HDFS running or not by typing jvs. Okay, I'm showing you. This is my virtual box. This is my Ubuntu that's running Hadoop and Hive. So you can type here jps. Okay, you can see all the node that are running inside this virtual machine. Okay, when all these things are running, then you need to change the permission of the HDFS directory so that you can access this directory from not only from localhost but from outside localhost. Okay, how to set? You have to change mode the directory dfs change mode 777 temporary folder, and then you can see the setting. All the directory are read write to all the user. Okay, next you can test to run the Hive by typing Hive at the terminal. You just type the Hive here, you can see. Okay, see, okay, you can type Hive, then the Hive will be running here, and then you need to run the Hive server 2. Okay, Hive server 2, you need to type Hive server 2. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is where I have typed the Hive server 2. Okay, the Hive server starting. Okay, then you can check whether the Hive server are running or not by typing localhost and then the port 102. Okay, you can see this is the active session from this IP address, my local IP address. Okay, so this is query that I've tested to this server. Okay, if you open this localhost and then the port 10,002, you can see this Hive server, meaning that the Hive server is running properly. Okay, if the Hive server are running, then it is a very good sign. Then you can test the Hive query using beeline at your virtual machine. Okay, beeline users need to type beeline here, then the beeline, the terminal will open beeline. Okay, you can see here. Okay, this is my beeline. Okay, I'm entering beeline. You can see. Okay, once I've entered beeline, I need to connect to the local host. Okay, how to connect? You just need to type connect JDBC Hive to localhost. Okay, this is your localhost and port that you set just now for the Hive server. Okay. Okay, you can type show database, then you can see all the database that inside the Hive. Okay, this is my database, then my test database code on. Okay, then you can use the database and you can run this command show tables to show all the table that inside the database. Okay, from there you can try to access the table and list all the data inside the table by using select command at the beeline. Okay, select start from I limit 5. Okay, this is all data inside the table. Okay, once these are ready, meaning that your Hive server are running well, and then you can query from the beeline to the Hive server, and you can retrieve all the data from the table. Once all these things you can perform all these things, then only you can move to the Python coding. Okay, first, before you access to the Python, you need to check the Hive server IP address. Okay, if config, using if config, then you can know what is the IP address that are running in your virtual machine. Okay, this is 106. Okay, so using Python, you can use this module PyHive, pip install PyHive to connect from Python to the Hive. Okay, this is the coding. Initiate panda and PyHive, import pandas PD from PyHive, import Hive. Okay, you need to put your host. Now I'm using local host from my notebook. connect to the virtual machine. So this is the IP address for the virtual machine, and then this is the port for the Hive server. Okay, you can read by using pd read SQL and insert all the select command into the data frame. Okay, this is where I've done the coding using Jupyter notebook. So this is the command: import panda pd hive, import hive, and then this the IP address and port, and then you just run the select command. So you can get the data, you can retrieve all the data from the tables. So and then you can see the information of the data and the shape of the data. Okay, so I think that's all. We successfully retrieve data accessing Hive data warehouse using Python. Okay, thank you.